Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to the Nunn Design Summer 2018 collection. Now this is a beautiful collection and it is through and through Nunn Design. So let me start off by showing you some of these beautiful geometric shapes that we have here at the top. So we have this lovely Marrakesh stamping blank here, and this is a beautiful antique finish, and it is just a beautiful, beautiful silver plate, and it's almost kind of got a little bit of a matte finish to it. We also have the antique copper plate as well, and the antiqued gold plate. So those are the three platings that you'll see most often for Nunn Design, and that's what this collection is really about, those nice, soft, but very sharp geometric shapes. So we have these little half moon shapes up here, and what I love is you can actually kind of connect them together to create like little orbs or little circles. You can have a lot of fun sort of mixing those little metals together and making some really fun shapes. We're seeing lots of geometric things happening this summer, so this is a perfect time to get in on some pieces like this. So we have a long inverted triangle with a nice little hole at the top. And then we also have this beautiful crescent shape here, and that has two holes for connectors. And you can sort of see these in action here with this beautiful necklace here. It's got some lovely vintage patina, and it's one of those nice long necklaces that's going to just really drop down and elongate that style. All right, so for something a little different, we have some charms and buttons. Now we have the crossed arrows, again in those three beautiful finishes. So we have the buttons over here in the same style, and they have a nice little soldered shank on the back. So this is going to be great to use for some of those Wrapit bracelets where you can utilize one of those lovely little shank buttons. And we have the little bees as well. And you can see this guy in action here. He is on a beautiful crocheted piece, and just it gives a nice little weight to it. Now these are actually nice thick pieces, so they have an organic feel to them, but they're actually, really three-dimensional there, so you're getting a nice weight to it. So very, very lovely. So that is it. That is the summer collection for Nunn Design. We're so proud to bring it in here at Beadaholique. You can see all of these project tutorials and learn even more tips and tricks for using Nunn Design by heading over to beadaholique.com.